Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're so excited to have a brand new Daniel Tiger Potty Time toy. The set includes a cute Daniel Tiger doll, a blue soap pump, and a tiger toilet with a blue lid that actually opens up and flushes. But before we open our toy, we're going to read Daniel Goes to the Potty. And it has a big red button that makes a flushing sound. Hi, neighbor. I'm glad you're here. My dad's trumpet is broken. We are going to Music Man Stan's music shop to get it fixed. My dad says that I should always try to go potty before I leave the house.
If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. Flush and wash and be on your way.
I did have to go a little bit. Can you help me flush the potty? Just press the button. Great job, neighbor. Now we're at the music shop. Music Man Stan says he can fix my dad's trumpet. While we wait, my dad and I take turns playing the trombone. It sounds like bwah, bwah, bwah. Uh-oh, I have to go to the potty again. I don't know if I can wait until we get home. My dad asks if I have to go to the potty. He tells me that I can go now. But where? Music Man Stan says that he has a potty I can use right in the music shop. I can go potty right away.
If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. Flush and wash and be on your way.
After I wash my hands, I dry them too. Do you want to flush the potty again? Just push the button. Great job, neighbor. On the way home, my dad tells me that there are bathrooms in lots of places, like the doctor's office, the cafe, and even the grocery store. That's a lot of bathrooms. Where have you used the bathroom? Remember,
If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. Flush and wash and be on your way.
do you want to flush the potty one more time? Just press the button. Great job, neighbor. Thanks for coming with me today. Hugga mugga. What a great story about the potty. Now let's open our potty toy with Daniel Tiger. Let's take him out of the box first. Oh, he's pretty large. His head moves from side to side, and oops, we missed a little bit of string around his neck from the packaging. There we go. And he's wearing his little brown watch, as he always does, and of course his red sweater. It's real fabric, and it can be removed. There's a Velcro closure, and it's got the two little white strings. He even has removable red sneakers. Let's take them off. Ooh, it's a little hard to take off. And to get them back, it's even harder to get them back on. But I did it. I had to push really hard. The second item in the set is a little blue soap dispenser. It has a little trolley on it. And now to have a look at the exciting part, the potty. Uh-oh, it's still strapped in. Underneath, I need to do a little more cutting. Remember, you always ask an adult for assistance when you're using sharp scissors to cut something. That should do it. Oh look, there's a little roll of toilet paper that spins on the side. And the blue toilet seat lifts up, and that's the inside of the toilet. Let's turn it on. and flush the toilet.
Welcome to the bathroom. I would sing all day. If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. Flush and wash and be on your way. Potty time and you have to wait. Play this game.
Uh-oh, Daniel Tiger's doing the potty dance. It's time to go potty. If you have to go potty, then you go right away. You don't hold it. Daniel knows to put the lid down before you flush. And now it's time to wash your hands, Daniel. 2 pumps of soap. You wash the front and the back, and you sing happy birthday while you wash your hands. And then you know you're done when the song is finished. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Peppa, Daniel, and Bluey are at the ocean. And look at all those fishing boats, Tiny fans. Tiny Treasures Minnie loves to fish. We actually caught a fish just the other day. Tiny Treasures Minnie is old enough to put the bait on the sharp hook. We use maggots, and we actually grew our own using a fish head. Maggots are important in nature as they break down rotten meats. Time to cast off the yellow fishing rod. It's best to fish in the early morning or the evening when the fish are ready to bite. We bring the fishing line in slowly using the fishing reel. Doesn't take long before Tiny Treasures Minnie catches a fish. Can you tell which is its fins, gills, and scales? We'll have to throw this fish back in the lake. We can't eat it. It's too bony. Oh, oopsies, it slipped out of my hands. Back in the lake it goes and it swims away. Now it's time to explore the ocean beach. I already see a little piece of crab, lots of different colors of seaweed. And the tide is coming up very quickly, and it will cover most of the beach. Wow, look at this big brown seaweed and all of the little pebbles that get polished by the crashing waves of the ocean. Hey, wait a minute. I see something moving in the rocks. Did you see that, Tiny fans? I think there's something in the seaweed. Oh, wow, look at all these little bugs. I wonder what they are. Peppa, what did you find? Do you know what this is, Tiny fans? It's a miniature jellyfish, and there's many of them. I wonder if they're still alive. They need to be in the water. Tiny Treasures grabs a shell, and we scoop it up, and we put it into the shallow waters. And it is still alive. Look how it moves, Tiny fans. It's so cute. I've never seen such a small jellyfish. Let's see if we can save this one, Tiny fans. I don't think that one's moving. It may not be alive. It must have been crushed by the rocks. We have another one to save. This one looks like it could be alive. Yay, it's moving! Let's go see what the toys have found next. Oh my goodness! It's a giant red crab. Is it alive? Oh, yes, it's moving. It's so cute. Bluey spotted a big sea anemone stuck to the bottom of this rock. Let's try and feed it a little piece of crab that we found on the beach. Isn't that incredible? Its tentacles guide the food into its mouth. There is so much to see. Oh my goodness, what is this? And there's another starfish. I've never seen such brightly colored starfish before. It's as red as Daniel Tiger's jacket. Well, that's enough for one day. It's time to head back home. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Daniel Tiger and his family are going to the circus.
I can't believe we're actually at the circus.
You're going to like this a lot. I know you are, Daniel. I think we're next in line for our tickets. Yay!
Hello, welcome to the circus. How many are there?
Just 4 of us, please. Can we get a family pass?
Yes. That will be $30, please.
Perfect. Here you go. $100. I don't have 30.
Okay, I'll give you $70 back.
Right, because 100 minus 30 is 70. That's right, Daniel Tiger.
All right, let's go find our seats. Wow, this place is amazing. These seats are perfect.
Come along, Sally. Let's get our tickets now.
Okay, Mom. Hi, sir. It's just me and my daughter today.
Okay, would you like the family pass?
Sure. How much will that be?
$20.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you, bye.
This place is so cool.
Mom, I think Daniel Tiger's here.
Mom, Bluey's here. Can I go say hi? Sure, honey, but be back in time for the show. I will. Hi, Bluey.
Hi, Daniel Tiger. You guys came to see the circus too?
Yeah, I love circuses. Oh, me too. I just decided to take Bluey because her sister was napping. Hey, look! There's Daddy Pig with Peppa and George.
Hi, Peppa. Hi, George.
Hi. Why are you guys in your pajamas? Well, we slept in a bit this morning, so I had to rush them out the door and we didn't have time to change. Oh, well, that's okay. Daniel, the music started. We have to get back to our seats.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our 10th annual circus showcase.
Look, there's lights. Without further ado, let the show begin. What a nice day it is. Would you care to smell my flower? Oh, I would love to. Go right ahead.
I think he's gonna get sprayed in the face.
Ah, that was a trick. No, it wasn't. Ta-da! Woohoo! That was such a good trick. Drum roll, please.
Wow, that was amazing. know. So cool. This is so much fun. What do you think, baby Margaret? I love it. Thank you, thank you. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Now, folks, please feel free to have a short intermission break. We'll be back in 10 minutes.
Could I offer you some snacks?
Ooh. What do you have?
Well, I have popcorn, which is everybody's favorite. And then I have bonbons,
Ooh.
bubblegum, chocolate, and some orange juice.
Yeah. Mom, could I get some popcorn? Sure, honey. 1 popcorn, please.
Sure.
I'll go offer some to Daniel Tiger. Hey, Daniel, want some popcorn? Sure. Have you been enjoying the show so far? Yeah, it's super cool. I love the circus. Same. Nice and buttery. Excuse me, sir. Where's the bathroom?
They're just down the hall to the left.
Thank you. My brother George really has to go.
Come along, George, down the hall to the left. Oh, can I offer you some snacks?
I'll take everything you've got.
Okay, sure.
This is so good. What a bonbon.
All right, folks, this show will be starting back in 1 minute, so get back to your seat. We better go, but enjoy the show, you too. Peppa's so fast for me. Peppa, wait. Oh, I'm sorry, George. I didn't realize you were so far behind.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the second half of your show.
Woohoo! Yeah! Phil, do you mind grabbing that box? Sure.
Here's the box. Thank you, Phil. Now, for this trick, we are going to need an assistant. Any volunteer?
Ooh, pick me. I want to go up. Pick us. Yeah, I don't want to go up.
You, sir, in the red sweater.
Yay!
Now, on the count of 3, you are going to say abracadabra, and this box will open up, and there will appear a bunny. 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra! Wow, I didn't know I could do that. Yeah, Daniel!
Now, Daniel, would you open up this box, please?
There's a handkerchief inside.
Now, we are going to make this handkerchief float. On the count of 3, you will once again say abracadabra, and it will be floating.
Really?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra. Ta-da! Wow! That is the end of our show, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye! Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm going to go for a peaceful ride on this blue kayak. And of course I'm going to wear a life jacket. I have my paddle and I'm ready to go. Today we're going to look for fish, turtles, and maybe even frogs. If you look very closely, there are minnows hiding in the green seaweed. At the end of the lake is a grassy log, and I think that's where the turtles are hiding out. Let's go take a look. I have Daniel and his father joining me on the ride. Look over there, Daniel. That looks like a beaver dam. Look, Tiny fans, we've spotted our first turtle. It just went into the water. It's on that log. Let's see if we can see it swimming. Well, that little turtle got scared and it hopped in the water. But we're almost at the end of the lake where the grassy log is. There it is, tiny fans, and I can see lots of turtles on it. Let's be quiet so we don't scare them away. I wonder how many there are. Oh, there's a little baby too. Oh, they're starting to hop in. Now we're a little closer and they're checking me out. Hello, little turtles. Oh, how many do you see now, tiny fans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles. Oh, I heard another one. And there's one under the water swimming away. These are called painted turtles, and they are protected. There aren't very many left. They have a beautiful color underneath on their tummies. As I'm looking around, I actually spotted another log with more turtles. Let's go see them. There's another little baby. On this log, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more turtles. It's okay, guys. Sometimes I like to talk to animals and let them know that I'm a safe person and I'm not going to hurt them. And I don't want to get too close. All right, it's time to head back. Let's say goodbye to the turtles. Hope you have a nice, sunny, warm day. There's something moving in the water. Let's get a little closer. I think it's a giant dragonfly, and it can't get out because its wings are wet. And we're going to have to save it, tiny fans, with our paddle. I'll lift it out of the water. Now its wings have to dry off a bit, and then it can fly away. There you go, dragonfly. It's drying its wings off. Hopefully it can fly again. It looks like one of its wings is broken or torn. It's trying. I'll put it on the front of the kayak and it can dry off there. Well, I hope you enjoyed our kayaking adventure today, and I hope you can get outside, enjoy some nature and sunshine. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Daniel Tiger, his mom, baby Margaret, and Dad, and they love to go to the weekly market for fresh produce. What is produce? Fruits and vegetables. And what kind of fruit do you see? Bananas, grapes, apples. And these are all grown on farms or in gardens. Let's go see what's in our garden today. This is mint, and mint can be used in teas, or you can even eat one of the leaves, and it can help upset stomach. But remember, we don't just eat any plant, because some plants can be poisonous and make us really sick. So you always make sure it's something Mom or Dad planted and you know it's edible. In this pot, we planted potatoes, and they're already sprouting. Over here, I've planted my herbs. There is parsley, and over here are chives. And one of our favorite fruits is strawberries. And here are our strawberry plants. Soon we'll see little white flowers, and the flowers are what turns into the fruit. Another one of our favorite fruits is peaches. Let's get some peaches from the market today, Daniel. Inside our Fisher Price woodsy soft house. Let's count how many peaches we're going to buy in French, en français. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 peaches. Daniel Tiger loves to garden with Mom, and he sees all sorts of bugs and creatures. Let's see what's in the garden today. Tiny Treasures Minnie found a big fat worm. Look at it compared to my finger. Close to the garden, right against the house, is a big brown spider, and it's feeding on a black ant. We also have a little friend that hangs out by the raspberries. He's hidden in the leaves. Can you see what it is? It's a teeny tiny garter snake. Isn't he cute? I love having him around because he eats the big black slugs that eat a lot of the plants in my garden. And he also eats rodents like mice and shrews. We also had one big creature walk through our yard the other day. It was a black bear. He wasn't very big, but we stayed inside because they're wild animals and we don't want to get too close. The market's about to close. Oh, and all of the grapes have sold. I guess we'll have to come back next week to grab some grapes. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Daniel Tiger, and there's something behind him. What do you think this could be? Well, in an earlier video with Daniel Tiger, we made real pizza and we made the dough from scratch. And today we're going to make a fabric pizza pretend play. And this is the pizza pan. What's the first thing that we need for pizza? The crust. That's right, Daniel. It starts out as dough made of flour, water, yeast, and a bit of sugar. Okay, Daniel, you put the dough on the pan. We have how many slices? 4. That's right. And what is the number 4 in Spanish, Daniel? Cuatro. Okay, our dough is down. What is next? Here's a hint. It's red like Daniel's jacket. The pizza sauce. That's right. Some people use tomato sauce, or sometimes people use things like barbecue sauce or a white sauce. Today we're going to use just plain tomato sauce. And we have 4 triangles to fit on our pizza slices. And you don't want too much sauce because it will make the dough soggy. Does anyone know what's next? Oh, I do. Okay, Daniel, what do you put on the pizza next? The cheese, of course. Here comes Daniel with the cheese. And of course, we both washed our hands really well, haven't we, Daniel? Yes. Now this cheese looks like it has some holes in it. Can you see through it? Yeah, we can see Daniel's eye. The whole cheese is usually called Swiss cheese, but on pizza we usually use mozzarella, and we grate it using a cheese grater. But we just have our Swiss cheese for our pretend play pizza. So let's put our cheese on. All 4 slices, and then it will melt when we bake it in the oven. Okay, get your toppings, Daniel. Wow, we have a variety of toppings on a plate. Let's see what they are. First, we have a fish. What kind of fish could it be? Well, I know some people who put anchovies on their pizza. It's a very salty little fish. So we will put it on this slice for whoever would like fish on their pizza. Daniel, he likes pineapple. It's nice and sweet and juicy, and it's good for you too. And maybe some pepperoni or veggie pepperoni. Not too much, this very salty. And then I love tomatoes, fresh tomatoes on my pizza. And mushrooms, and some jalapeno peppers or banana peppers. And I know many people who like onions on their pizza, and onions are really good for us. They fight colds and flus. And then there are some greens you can put on your pizza, like spinach. This looks like it could be arugula. And you can put it on after the pizza comes out of the oven, fresh. Or the kids, if they're just having cheese pizza, they make a salad and eat a salad because it's important to get your greens every single day. Now, our pizza is ready to go in the oven. Daniel, can you help me? Be careful, it might be hot. I don't know if our pizza's gonna fit in there. It's too big. Uh-oh. Next time we'll have to make mini pizzas. Yay! Okay, it's time to clean up, Daniel. Oops, our pizza flipped upside down. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Daniel Tiger and his family are camping out in the woods. Look behind the tree, Daniel. It's a deer and her fawn. Stand back. There is a skunk in that little cave, and we don't want to get sprayed. Today's adventure is on the gondola. They're going to ride up on this cable car and hopefully see some more animals down below. Daniel Tiger has his binoculars so he can see things far away, and Mum Tiger has packed water and snacks.
Oh, honey, don't worry. If you're scared, I'll stay down here with you while Daniel and Mom go up. Let me just go pay. I'll be right back. How many tickets would you like, sir? One child and one adult, please. Perfect. That will be $12.60. No problem. 11, 12, and $12.60. There you go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful ride. Here it comes, Daniel. Make sure we stay behind the line. Hello, is it just the two of you? Yes, it is, thank you. Wonderful, you can step inside. I am just going to remind you to keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the ride at all times. Of course. Oh, this is going to be so fun, Daniel. Yeah. You go in first, Daniel. Okay. Here we go. Look over there. It's a beautiful waterfall. Oh, wow, what a beautiful view from up here. Oh, and look, you can see your sister and your dad down there. Let's wave to them. Hi. Look, there's your mom and Daniel. Say hi. Hi. All right, time to go back down. Oh, that was so much fun. Well, baby Margaret, maybe one day when you're older, you will be brave enough to go up too. Yeah. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Daniel Tiger is using his imagination to play today. He's imagining he is in a beautiful castle and he's not alone. He's with one of his good friends. Who do you think it is? It's Miss Elena, and she's going to join Daniel on an underwater adventure. There is a secret passageway to go under the water, and it's a water slide off this side of the castle, a blue sparkly one that lands in a pool. Who's going to go first? Daniel goes on the slide first, and Miss Elena goes right behind him. Look behind the seaweed. There is a treasure chest. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it up for some surprises. We need to open the golden latch. There are many Lego surprises inside. Look at the little Lego baby. Mama. It's so cute. And look how small it is, standing next to Daniel Tiger and Miss Elena. What animal do you think this is? It's the Lego llama. And you know what this is? It's a pink flamingo. We even have a Lego sloth. One of my favorite animals. I think we can hang it off of the balcony on the castle. And then we have the Lego panda. And lastly, we have the Lego geode with a pretty purple stone inside. We've placed all of our treasures throughout the castle. Can you see them all? And we also had another surprise, this hidden crayons box. Did you spot it somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way, we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are going to play a game with our miniature toys. And do you see one of our characters? It's Daniel Tiger. He's buried under the toys, hiding. There he is. We're going to play an I Spy game. Are you ready, Tiny fans? I spy with my little eye a pink Care Bear. Do you see it? It has a red heart on its foot. Here it is. It's Cheer Bear. And I love that Cheer Bear has a rainbow on her belly. And all Care Bears have a little red heart by their tails. Okay, I spy with my little eye a green glowworm. Can you see it? It's behind Daniel right here. And the glowworm's face lights up when we push its belly. Oh, maybe we need to turn the lights off. There we go. Isn't it adorable? I spy with my little eye Dora's miniature purple backpack. Here it is, right behind our Dora doll. Backpack. I spy with my little eye 4 barrels of metallic green slime. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops! Ooh, that one slipped out of my hands onto the floor. Let me grab it. There we go. And stack it on top of the other 3. I spy with my little eye 2 blue frisbees. Do you know what a frisbee looks like? There's one over here by the red camera. And, oops, I knocked down that slime again. And the second frisbee is over on the right side here under the bag. 2 blue frisbees. And that's the end of our I Spy game. But before we go, let's have a look at the pictures that Daniel Tiger took with his red camera. It's the fishy camera. Lots of tropical fish that live in the coral reefs. Let's take care of our oceans so that our coral reefs can survive for our fish. Time to clean up after we're done playing. And I want to say thank you to all of our fans who have already subscribed to our channel. And if you haven't, please push the subscribe button. It's free and it continues to support our channel so we can continue creating videos every single day. Thank you and goodbye.